Hello everyone, welcome back in our class. In last class we have to discuss about respiration, cellular respiration, and in the presence of oxygen, absence of oxygen, lack of oxygen, etc. Now we discuss about respiration in mitochondria. What happens in mitochondria in the process of respiration? Glucose, the food we have to take in the form of glucose in cytoplasm, it change into pyruvate and energy. In cytoplasm it change into pyruvate and energy. After that, in the presence of oxygen, in cell, in the presence of oxygen, it convert into water, carbon dioxide and energy. Water, carbon dioxide and energy. This energy is used in the synthesis of ATP molecule. ATP molecule, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. Formula of ATP is C10H16N5O13 and P3. It's the formula for ATP. Full form ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Now we will discuss about the respiration in a human being. Respiration in a human. It's the structure of human respiratory system. First of all, oxygen rich air is we intake through the nose. Intake through the nose. In our nose there is present fine hairs. They purify the air and the dust particles are purified, means dust particles are not enter in our respiratory system. They are purified by the fine hairs present in our nose. After that, from this system, pharynx, trachea, bronchus, etc. At last, oxygen rich air is enter in our lungs. In lungs, oxygen passes is divided into smaller fine passes. These are the smaller fine passes. Though the air at last enter in alveoli. These are the alveoli. These are the alveoli. Sac-like structure. Here is and finally in the respiratory system, air is enter in the alveoli, though these are smaller fine passes. Okay, here oxygen rich air is absorbed. Oxygen rich air is absorbed, and in blood present hemoglobin. In blood present hemoglobin that bind the oxygen. These alveoli, these types balloon like structure, these are surrounded by blood vessels. From these alveoli, oxygen rich air is mixed with the blood, means oxygen is bind with the blood. Oxygen is bind with blood and transported to the cells of every part of body, and from another part carbon dioxide rich air. Carbon dioxide rich air is again passes through these blood vessels to the alveoli, and with the same path, this one is expel out from the body, means by the process of exhalation. Inhalation, we have to intake oxygen rich air. When it enter in the alveoli, this oxygen is dissolved with blood with the help of hemoglobin and transported to every part of body. But this carbon dioxide rich is diffused in alveoli, and though the same path, means from here it follow the same path and exhale out of the body. Very simple and easy process of respiration. Only you have to know about the process in alveoli. Other is simple. These are the parts of the respiratory system. Though these parts at last oxygen rich air is enter in lungs. In it is transported to the alveoli. In alveoli, absorption of gases or dissolve oxygen in blood and transported to every part of body, and carbon dioxide is diffused again, expel out of the body, means the process of exhalation. Next we have to discuss about respiration in plants. Today we have to discuss about respiration in a human being. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.